Welcome to Homeovision. Myself, Dr. Naveen, practicing homeopathy in Bangalore. Today, we will discuss one more important homeopathic remedy which is used in our day-to-day clinical practice. The remedy is Ledam Paul. In this video, we will discuss the general introduction, guiding symptoms, particulars including eyes, face, extremities, injuries of Ledam Paul and modalities. Coming to introduction, the remedy was brewed by our master Hahnemann, common name Mars tea, family Ericaceae, thermals chili, miasm, sora and syphilitic miasms, diathesis, rheumatic diathesis. Coming to guiding symptoms, the complaints of people who are cold all the time, always feel cold and chilly, lack of animal or vital heat, parts cold to touch but not cold subjectively to the patient, emaciation of the affected parts. The other remedy is graphitis. Rheumatic pain ameliorated by holding feet in the ice cold water. Other remedy is sickle core. Rheumatism, it begins from the feet and travel upwards, but in Kalmia it is opposite. Affection of the left shoulder and right hip joint. The other remedies are agaricus, antium tart and stramonium. Punctured wounds from sharp pointed instruments, rat bite, stings of insect, especially the mosquitoes. Coming to particulars, eyes. Hemorrhage into anterior chamber after iridectomy. Iridectomy, it is also known as chorectomy. It means it is a surgical removal of the parts of the iris. It is done in cases of glaucoma and iris melanoma. Contusion of the eyes and lids, especially if much extravasation of the blood, ecchymosis of the lids and conjunctiva. Dr. Ibinash says black eye from a blow or a contusion, the remedy Ledam is better than arnica. Cataract with gout. Next, coming to face. Red pimples on a forehead and cheeks, stinging when touched. There will be a crusty eruption around the nose and the mouth. Coming to extremities. Ledam may be indicated in both acute and chronic forms of rheumatism. Rheumatism or gout, it begins from the lower limb and it ascends. But in Kalmia, it begins from the upper limb and descends. Joints become a seat of nodosities and gout stones, which are very much painful. Acute and chronic arthritis. In Ledam Paul, there is a affection in the left shoulder and right hip joint. It is a diagonal symptoms. The other remedies are agaricus, antium tart and stramonium. There will be intense itching of the feet and ankles, which is aggravated from scratching of the warmth of bed. The other remedies are pulsatilla and Rostox. There is also swelling of the feet. It will up to knees, of the ankles with unbearable pain when walking as from a sprain or a false step. Ball of great toe, it is swollen and painful. Easy spraining of ankles and of feet. The other remedies are carboanimalis. Soles are painful and the patient can hardly step on them. Next, coming to injuries. There will be a punctured wound by a sharp pointed instruments, nails. The other remedy is hypericum. The Ledam, it is also given in rat bites, stings of insects, especially the mosquito injuries. Long remaining discoloration after the injuries. Black and blue places becomes green. In this condition, Ledam may be given. Coming to modalities. The complaints are better in cold, putting the feet in the cold water. The complaints aggravate at night and from heat of the bed. This is a minor remedy and the question can be asked about the injuries of the Ledam Paul and eye symptoms of the Ledam Paul and rheumatism is very much important. Thank you. like and subscribe for future reference and follow us on Instagram. Thank you.